Trying to.
You guys are doing a good job at playing together. Yeah, you guys are sharing. Oh, here comes Oscar. Oh, where does that one go? Jojo, you want to show him? You want to show Momo where it goes? That's right, Momo. Give it to Jojo. Maybe he knows where it goes. Oh, maybe Oscar knows.
Careful.
It's so big.
It's too big. Maybe it goes in another side.
How about on the other side?
Yeah, maybe over there. Oh, no. Maybe on that side? Mo, are there any shapes left?
Uh-oh.
Oh, Oscar has the last shape, huh? Okay, you take Oscar's shape and see where this one goes. Give that to Momo. Good.
It's your turn, Momo.
Okay, Momo, where does that one go? Oh, I see something on this side. Maybe over here? Try it right there. Almost. Oh, that's good. You got it. Yay!
Push it.
Yeah. Oh, that's the easy way. They can all go in that one.
Let's try again.
All right, good job, guys.
So you could